Stock up on holiday goods and save money while you're at it. Smart Shopper Daphne Moreau taking action to help you save at Valley grocery stores this week.
Head to Albertsons and save on eggs and butter. They have a dozen eggs plus a pound of butter for $1.48 each with a limit of 2. Plus, at both Albertsons and Bashas', you can buy a spiral ham for just $1.37 per pound. But you're limited to 1 at that price. Also, head to Bashas' and save on green beans or yams, just 77 cents per pound, and you can buy up to 4 pounds at that price. At Bashas', you can save on boneless New York roast for just $3.59 per pound and get 1 at that price. If you plan on spending $10 or more at Bashas', you can buy a gallon of milk for just $1.77 with the coupon in this week's ad. Head to Fry's and score a good price on pineapples, just 97 cents each with a limit of 4. You'll be able to save on ham at Fry's this week. You can buy a Cook's Shank half ham for just 89 cents per pound and get 1 at that price. Head to Food City and get 5 pounds of navel oranges for just $1. Pros Ranch Market has you covered when it comes to chicken. They have bone-in chicken breasts on sale for 97 cents per pound. Plus, Sprouts also has all-natural boneless, skinless chicken breast on sale this week for $1.99 per pound. I'll have more deals posted on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.